Hello everyone. We have another job and this is for a hot spring inn. This is located at Kita Ibaraki in Ibaraki Prefecture, and the job description for this would be customer service and cleaning. So again, this is a hot spring inn, and the job description is customer service and cleaning. The working hours will be shifting, and the salary starts from 180,000 yen to 220,000 yen. There will be bonus also for this job. We need 2 people for this. So again, this is a hot spring inn, and the job description is customer service and cleaning. So if you want to apply for this job, you can comment down below, or you can also leave your number or call our office number at 036 206 8058. We also have online interview if you are far from our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. You can request for online interview. Just call our number. Thank you.